The first time I deal with Groudon's Cubicost software was about half a year ago, and I'm quite impressed. I have been so long in this QS line. Okay, all along I've been dealing with papers, measurements and all this, and suddenly there's this QS that can help us in quantification. And quantification is the process where it's really time consuming. I'm very impressed.
In my case, I like the fact that it's easy for me to pick up finishes, all type of finishes. I just need to input the schedule and just point it in, and then I get floor finishes, wall finishes. For me, it saves up a lot of time to do measurement. Secondly, it helps a lot when it comes to collaboration, like the model merging function that I've mentioned. Third, the customer service is top-notch.
Remember, not long ago, I actually faced this kind of situation whereby I don't have enough time for me to do the takeoff. Then I contacted Groudon supporting team. I'm glad that they actually can respond very fast and give us the quickest solution to introduce me something else rather than what we are using previously. Then eventually I can meet the timeline.
Initially we were using traditional method. Taking measurement manually was inefficient, and our day was spent on Excel and 2D PDF tool. We saw a lot of mistakes being made as a result of human error. Now everything is much quicker with Cubicost. What used to take me 1 month now get done in 20 days with the software. We could obtain quantity few days early compared to our previous method. With the software, I save 20% of my time. Cubicost is quick for quantity and measuring. It also gives us accuracy application for report and cost planning. In addition, Cubicost has solved the problem of human error. With the transition from manual calculation to automatic calculation, accuracy has improved. Besides that, checking my calculation is so much easier. You can clearly visualize the project and by just looking at the model. The software gives us insight, so we don't have to check measurement in Excel sheet anymore. To sum up my experience with Cubicost has helped us save time. We are more confident in our calculation. There are less mistakes, and I see improvement in accuracy. I see the positive impact and great result Cubicost brought to our team. Thank you.
Since I have been using Cubicost product for 3 years, therefore, I have experienced the old Cubicost product and the new Cubicost product. The new product are much easier to use, and the interface is more user-friendly. The new feature that I like the most is the finishes function in TSC. They have many improvements in the way to do finishes, like the finishes can be viewed up even when there is no structure element. Also, when we point draw room in finishes, now it will auto check enclosed area and tell which part is not enclosed. Other than that, I also like the live quantity linking feature in Cubicost product. I can link my quantities from TAS or TRB to view of quantities in TDQ, and it can be easily traced to 3D model that have been done by us for checking after we link the quantities. So, when these changes happen to the project or the model, we can easily update our BQ quantities. The new TDQ also introduced another good feature, which is e-tendering. It allows us to send electronic BQ to tenderer for costing, and then we receive electronic tender submission from tenderer for evaluation. Using this feature, we now manage to reduce our resources and time significantly. For example, previously we need 2 to 3 QS and use 1 week to manually key in the tender rates only to the Excel for comparison. Now, we can finish this process by using 1 QS in per day, because this feature will generate the comparison report and compare the rates automatically for us after we import all the tender submission to TDQ. So, this is a very efficiency tool to use. In conclusion, I'm thankful to have used Cubicost product in my daily work. It helped me to build up another new skill set and make my CS life much more interesting. Thank you.